Hey guys, what's happening? Today, I have found 3 abandoned Airstreams. Man, this is going to rock. You're gonna love it. Hey, I'm Mark with The Art of RVing. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. And if you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button somewhere around here. I don't know. And you're gonna get these awesome videos. And we're also on Instagram. So let's do this. Airstream number 1. Okay, so here we go. The first one. Looks like it has no windows. And view of the inside here. How cool is this? I wonder what year it is. Can you guys leave me a message on what year? Wow, this is cool. Look at those speakers in there. Here's a view of it from the back. Looks like it got a flip up at one point. And 4-burner stove. An oven. Dual sinks. Looks like cabinets that you, well, there we go. Storage. No AC unit there. Some divider there. Dog food? Oh, I don't think I can get that up. Looks like it has Ricky and Lucy beds in it. Look at that speaker. You got that long dirt dauber nest in there. Shelving. I wonder if those lit up. Looks pretty cool. All the way back to the bathroom. And look at that toggle switch on there. Toothbrush holder. Look at these mirrors all the way around. How cool is that? Oh yeah, those are lights at one point for the makeup mirror right there. Full-size toilet, you know it. Storage. Look at that sink. What a lot of space in there. Stand-up shower. Little bathtub. Oh, this is great. Wires. Just need some tender love and care. Airstream number 2. Looks like they put themselves a residential air conditioner in there. Airstream International. So is the windows in it somewhat. Pretty cool pattern here. So here we go into Airstream number 2. Wow, look at those cool curtains. So here's the front area here. I don't know if they replaced those speakers or not in there. Let's see if I can get this open. Sure can. I don't know what that is. Under cabinet. Those great clock and temperature, I guess. Nice little side cabinets there, built in. Looks like an old thermostat here. Probably for 4-burner stove too. Oven. Oh, someone's got water on me. Sink, under cabinet sink. So apparently this is not, this is a light. Look at that water. And then the cabinets. Let's see what's in here. Cup. Camping stuff. Refrigerator. Do I dare open it? Whoa. Nice. It's not bad. Huh. I don't like those wire hangers on the freezer. Storage. Oh, that's the original wall covering, I bet, back in the day. And again in the bedroom. Air conditioner. Ricky sleeps here. Lucy sleeps there. I bet those are original curtains in here too. And more of that wallpaper. This one seems to be in a little better shape. Yeah, you need a pencil sharpener. You might as well mount it on the side of your RV wall. Look at this. Looks like this door is a solid door, not like the other. It's like an accordion door. Okay. Wonder what's in here. I can't get over how big this sink and counter are. Look at that. Somebody put a porcelain toilet in here because it's broken. Towel rack. This one doesn't have the mirrors all the way around like the other one did. Looks like it still has the lighting though here. Looks like the same shower. Here. Looks like that's probably something they made to sit on in the shower. Huh. And storage. Let's see what's in here. Oh, can't open that one. What's in here? Looks like a vacuum. And some camping stuff. Weld it. Looks like I've been doing some plumbing. This sliding door has a, oh, hey bud, a mirror on the back side of it. Home center. Sure is. Sears. Okay, let's get on. Okay, here we go. Airstream number 3. Airstream Land Yacht Ambassador. Looks like all the wind is still in this one. Okay, so here we go into number 3. This floor looks rotten. If I fall, y'all feel free to laugh. Looks like they took the furniture out of this one too. That's the back of it. Look at that, that's pretty awesome there. Got the old-timey clock, the barometer, amp meter, battery check. Nice. Control panel. There it is, guys. Check it out. Man, when you were there with a Radio Shack 8-track in your car, it was a chick magnet, guys. Yeah, leave a comment. I like how those speakers are integrated in. That's your first peek at it right there. It looks like somebody put a regular refrigerator in here at one point. It's a big one. Looks pretty new. Let's see what's in here. Lighter. Let's see if this lighter works. What do you think the odds of that is? That's a no. Hey, need some popcorn? So here's a popcorn maker. And right there. Good. Here's the popcorn that goes in it. And then this goes in here. And then this. And this goes on that. Let's plug it in, see what happens. The cabinet there. Look at that. Well, I don't know much. I'll leave a comment. Is that an oven mounted in to the wall? Interesting. This is something. Oh, that's a vent hood right there. Apparently. Yep. Interesting. Oops, that must be the heater. Huh. That's a nerve. Like a kitty litter box. Let's go on back. If something gets me, let me know. Oh, there's rats in here. Still beautiful, isn't it? Looks like somebody kept this bed over here and then took out this bed over here. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this one comes up. It doesn't. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this one comes up. It doesn't roll up like those others. You Airstream guys are laughing at me. I'm just learning. Let's see. Oh, this is. So this is interesting. It has double doors on it. One there and one here. Huh. Here we go in the bathroom. This bathroom's smaller. Okay, so here we go in the bathroom. That's interesting. That mirror, oh, it's hinged, so it's got storage behind it. That mirror's heavy. Look at that. Aqua Magic Galaxy. Oh, look how cool this is right here. I guess this is the place to sit, man. It's padded. That's great. Not as much sink space counter here. There's the tub. Scrub free. Look at this cool wallpaper. We got a fish. And this. We all know what that is. You know it. Shelving along there. It looks like somebody may have had a problem there with their ears. Oh, old English flexible band-aid. I wonder what that is, like a powder puff or something? Oh, look at that. There's powder coming out of it. Wow. Huh. Look at this sink, it's pretty cool. Look at that. I like the shape of that, the way it comes out. You can sit there, wash your face. Here's from the bathroom looking out. I can still smell that powder. It smells good. All this stuff in here. Need a rolling pin. I bet that bed comes up. Pretty cool. Look at that, a little accident. Fire extinguisher. I don't think I trust it. Look at that. Silverware. Reed and Barton. Just kidding. What is this? Marshall H. Shorter Agent. Season greetings. Wonder what year that is. Man, it's hard to do one-handed. Let's look. 1983. And this is the temperature it actually is in here right now. It's about 54. A little brisk outside. What is that? Well, I guess that's a skillet holder. Huh. Looks like they had a cup dispenser here at one point. There's some cups. Want to drink out of that? I don't think so. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was so interesting. Hit us up on Instagram and subscribe till the next video. We'll see ya.